What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode, we shooting rollers. It's my first time shooting rollers. This one I'm shooting rollers with Mo. Shout out to Brick City. He one of the hardest in the city. So you know I had to check him out. So I hope y'all like the footage. I hope y'all like the content that's coming. I'm gonna go ahead and vlog this for future memories and for you guys, you know. I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me, you know, supporting the channel, showing love. Make sure I click that like button, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe, because we got more content on the way. Later on, I'm gonna meet up with the boys. I think they'll probably be at a meet somewhere later on, or who knows. My roller's supposed to take about like an hour and a half, he said. So, you know, we gonna see what they talking about. We gonna probably get some photos, probably some still photos and some rolling photos. And in the future, we gonna do the whole VHS, you know, shindig, whatever, whatnot. But yeah, bear with me. Stay tuned. The summer ain't even got all the way here yet, but we getting content. We getting content every day, all day. The weather is supposed to be 80 degrees all week, so I will be riding all week. I will try to make a video every day if possible. Let's go ahead and get this show on the road. I'm about to run in this gas station right quick, grab me probably something to drink. I do got on long sleeve and I do got on gear up under here. I got on my leathers, you know, because I'm gonna ride with the guys later on. When I ride with the guys, I try to wear, you know, at least some type of gear, because anything can happen with anybody. And you know, it might put you in a situation. You know, I don't want to wish nothing on anybody, but hey, play it smart. When I ride alone, I might wear a couple pieces of gear, but when I'm with a bunch of people, yeah, sorry about that. I don't know what that was like, but yeah, as I was saying, let me go get in this gas station. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. What's the word? You good? I'm chilling. You? Good. Get this Red Bull in my system. What's the first bike? Second. I had a Ninja 650 for about 4 months, and then I recently just traded for this one. So I had this one about 2 months, almost 3. Okay, nice. Yeah. They're nice bikes. Yeah, they're fun as fuck. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Basically do a lap around the bike, kind of getting different details. Okay. One without you, and then the next one with you. Okay, for sure, perfect. Go ahead and get a nice little reel. Yes, sir. Let's freaking go. We about to hop on road and get these rollers going. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I hope y'all enjoy this. We about to go real crazy. Let y'all see my baby before we hop on the road. Come on now, bugs. I tried to get a wash before today, but you know, they wasn't ready, and I was last minute, so yeah. Tunnels, these ATL tunnels. Book it. No, it's not the tunnel. Ha! This is not it. Oh my God. should have brought my truck. No shade. I need, bro, as comfortable as possible. But it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I told y'all this is my first time. We just getting acquainted. First time working. Day. Well, it's smooth though. I was looking at the homie's location. It said that they was at the varsity. Oh yeah, the vets out, lamb trucks, lamb chops. It gotta be a music video or an artist. You know how it be in Atlanta. Respectfully, same difference. The artist shooting a music video, and I think this is a dead end road. But hey, don't let me be the one to tell it. Yeah. Okay. They know something I don't. I think that might be a little quicker than I thought. That's cool. He said an hour to an hour and a half, so I think it's almost about to be an hour. We about to head back to the quick trip. Hit the other side of the tunnel. We should be perfect. Sheesh! Super pothole. Gotta make a deposit. And then get some pasta on your way back home to the airport. It's this way. Wait, we going back to the QT to go? Back on the highway, come back around here? I don't think I made this route this difficult. Well, maybe I shouldn't even made the route because I'm not even a roller guy. So we about to go back down that way. go to the QT and well, guess that'll give us our whole hour. Probably grab some gas while I'm over there. I think that'll make sense. Yes, sir. You already know how I went. Movie. Straight movie. I hope y'all enjoyed that. If y'all did enjoy it, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment. And make sure you subscribe. We're going to close it out right here. And we're about to get missing. Let's go. We got to hear.